Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're bringing all the fall vibes with a cranberry makeup look. So let's jump right in. To prep my lids, I'm going in with the P. Louise Rumor Base and I'm taking a concealer brush to buff it in. After buffing the base in, I'm taking a dry beauty blender to really set the concealer in place. And I'm also putting on some lip serum from Kylie Cosmetics to keep my lips moisturized. Now look at this beauty, you guys. This is the star of the show, I'm trying to tell you guys. This is the newest NATASHA DENONA palette and it's giving all the fall vibes. The first shade I'm gonna be dipping into is Amara. I'm placing this shade in a pretty circular shape on my eye. The most important thing to do is really build up this shade as best as you can if you're going to be recreating this look. The next shade I'm moving into is Groove. I'm being very careful to fade this shade into the first one so it gives off a nice blend. Now moving into Go-Go. This shade is even lighter than the one before, so I'm blending this one into it to complete the base of my eye look. Today I'm going to be using Q-tips and micellar water to prep for today's cut crease. I'm taking an ovalish shaped brush that I dipped into the micellar water to carve out my space for concealer. The Q-tip is basically going to help me get rid of extra shadow that could change the color of my concealer, which I absolutely do not want. Next, you can take any concealer of choice to carve out your crease. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. In my opinion, this is a very tedious process, so if you're trying this, please take your time. After I've applied my concealer, I'm just blending my shadows inward to really give it a nice effect. Adding the shimmer shades called Glitz and Psychedelic, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really like these shades in the palette. In my opinion, for a $65 palette, this shade should have went on a lot smoother and way more pigmented, but again, that's just my opinion. So now that the shadow's done, I'm adding some eyeliner, and y'all, this black eyeliner by Huda Beauty is the new go-to, period. It's so thin and sharp. I really love this eyeliner. I added lashes off camera, and now I'm ready to go into the face makeup. To prime, I'm using the Huda Beauty mattifying primer, and I'm just applying it to my oiliest zones. For foundation, I'm using the ABH Luminous Foundation in the shade 365C. This shade is a really good match for me, and the foundation feels really good on my skin as well. actually going to be using this contour stick that I got from BoxyCharm, and this is a really good new jewel or new staple, whatever you want to call it, for me personally. To me, BoxyCharm is really hit or miss. I've had some really good makeup and I've had some really bad makeup from them. For concealer today, I'm taking the Maybelline Eraser Concealer in the shade Medium to highlight under my eyes. I'm also going to be setting all the concealed areas with powder. Now I'm dusting off all excess powder with my huge fluffy brush. To set my contour in place today, I'm using a contour powder by KKW Beauty. Tear, 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 we miss her. So my under eye isn't dull. I'm going in with that darkest eyeshadow in the palette to put some color on my waterline. For the finishing touches, I'm adding the Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Clove just to add some color to the lips. If you haven't checked out my video already, I do have 2 Kylie videos trying out her newest lip formulas and shades. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on the content I post, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.